Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use CNBC to trade gold. First, navigate to CNBC Commodities section to find current gold prices. Look for the spot price of gold, typically quoted in US dollars per troy ounce. Pay attention to the bid and ask prices, which indicate the immediate buying and selling rates. CNBC also offers futures prices for various contract months, providing insight into future price expectations. This initial step helps you grasp the current market sentiment. When using CNBC, focus on several key data points. The COMEX gold futures prices, for example, show contracts for delivery in specific months, like February or April. Also, keep a close eye on the US dollar index, or DXY, which measures the dollar's strength against a basket of 6 major currencies. A weaker dollar often makes gold more attractive. Furthermore, central bank interest rate decisions, such as those from the Federal Reserve, significantly impact gold's appeal as a non-yielding asset. Interpreting these signals is crucial for informed trading. For instance, if the US dollar strengthens significantly, gold prices might experience downward pressure. Conversely, a weakening dollar could support higher gold prices. When interest rates rise, the opportunity cost of holding gold, which does not pay interest, increases, potentially leading to selling pressure. Always consider global economic news and geopolitical tensions, as these factors frequently boost gold's safe haven demand, often leading to price increases. Effective risk management is paramount when trading gold. Before entering any trade, clearly define your entry and exit points, including a stop-loss level to protect your capital. A common strategy is to risk no more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. CNBC analysis can inform these decisions, but always combine it with your own risk assessment. Remember, gold trading involves inherent risks, so continuous learning and disciplined execution are vital for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.